And so the punchline, regulation and technological innovation are really entangled. This is something important we want to think about, because really what we get and the quality of life we enjoy and the technologies we enjoy don't come out of the blue. They are not only shaped by the technological frontiers, they are also shaped by regulation on technology. And that regulation is particularly powerful on emerging industries, because that's where regulation gets to shape the industry standards. And it's uneven. It has asymmetric effect and cost on different industry and different groups. So the challenge from this point of view for all of this is really that regulatory reform, a more effective form of regulation, have to be implemented in terms of the institutional context. So the institutions do matter. This sort of brings us back on a positive note to the original little article by Yandel on Baptist and bootleggers. If you haven't read it, I really encourage you. It's very easy and it's really big, small classic. Then notice that in spite of sort of all the strange alliances and the efforts to eliminate Salon during Prohibition, the Salon is still with us, even on Sunday, because ultimately human enterprise and innovation always find their ways. So, but again, we want to make sure that we have an institutional setting that is conducive to this human enterprise and all this technological innovation to be actually productive, as opposed to unproductive and maybe spent into trying to influence a political process, as opposed to develop new and life-improving innovations.